Ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences ni Negrims, siyan kan sa sedang no ya ka plasma bang nakabenda ban sumari ki bapang COVID-19 nakajelam. Habayakran bat kinong thok khubor hinin ka sautarek unailar u medical superintendent ka Negrims u Dr. Nur Topno uloong baki kmi lenti bahapo siteo kilaban sedang ya ka jinglum ya ka senam ni plasma na kinong pang kibladeb yo jengkot no COVID-19. Habayade bat ka jingkran bat ka sarkar banbu ya ka plasma bang Negrims u Dr. Topno uloong baki kor machine naka plasma bang kila dapoy Negrims bat ula benrap bahapo kini kisisngi asngi ki engineer kinsawan ban pendat ya kini ki kor machine.
We are in touch with the government and the machine has arrived. Okay, but what remains to be done is there is certain licensing process that we have to go through because of the problems in interstate travel. It has not yet happened. Perhaps in a day or two, we will have the engineers coming installing the machine, and once the machine is commissioned, then the training process will happen, and after that, the license will be got. And once the license is procured, then the next step would be to actually go in and start doing the plasma. Basically, first we'll be taking the plasma from the patients who are already recovered from this particular disease, and then we'll be using it on patients who are suffering.
How much time, sir, will it take when we can expect that?
I think I hope that another week's time we should be able to, but I can't really say. But perhaps a week's time. No, see, the donors who are there will be mainly those patients who have recovered from this disease. Okay, it is not any ordinary person. Somebody who should have suffered from COVID, and also the donation happens within a specified time. You can't wait like after 3 months we do the donation. There is a time frame during which we have to harvest the plasma from there. The machine that we are having is going to be a little different. What it does is basically once it is connected to a donor, from the donor it takes out only the plasma. Okay. So now what exactly is happening is in a blood bank we are taking the blood from the patient, we are separating the RBCs from the plasma, and then RBCs are used in a different patient and plasma is used in a different patient. In this situation, what is happening, what is good is we do not take RBCs from the patient at all. We take out only the plasma. So that is what is good about the machine.